everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Wise account. So to get started, open up your Wise application or simply log into wise.com on a web browser. Once you're in the main homepage after logging in, tap on your profile icon, which should be located at the top left-hand corner. Now, once you open up your profile, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. There, you'll be able to see an option to change your email. Tap on Change Your Email Address and enter a new email address in the text box. Make sure to enter a valid email address you have access to. Once typing in the email, tap on Continue. On the next page, you'll need to enter your account's password to verify that it is you who is trying to make the change to the account. Type in your password for your Wise account and tap Continue. You'll now need to confirm your email. Go ahead and open up your email address inbox. Open up your email inbox that you are trying to change to, and you should be able to receive confirmation email from Wise. Tap on it to launch it open and then tap on Confirm your email. Soon after you confirm the email, you'll be able to verify your new email address. Now you'll need to log into Wise. To continue, tap Continue button, and while logging into your Wise account, you'll need to enter a new email that you just changed to. Go ahead and open up your Wise application again and enter the new email that you just updated to when it asks to you for the email. And that is how you'll be able to change your email for Wise. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.